Hey, what's up, guys? I was scrolling through my comments section and I saw a question, the answer of which might be useful to quite a few people. And I want to make a point to do that a bit more often. You know, I try and answer as many comments as I can, but sometimes it just gets hard. I am a practicing criminal defense attorney. I'm not a full-time YouTuber, so that can be quite a challenge. But like I said, I'm going to start to do video answers to some of these questions that I think are really good. So we're going to start with this one today. This question is from I Got the Juice. I like that name. Hey, I am from California. I was arrested in 2012 for assault with a deadly weapon causing great bodily injury. In 2013, I took a deal that gave me a strike. Am I able to get this dropped to a misdemeanor? It's been 10 years and haven't been arrested since. Well, I got the juice. Let me tell you, first of all, thanks so much for the question. And I definitely want to congratulate you and show my appreciation for you having committed an offense, which obviously if it was a strike, it was a serious offense, but you've been able to put that behind you, have had no incidents 10 years later, and now you're taking steps to right your wrongs and be able to move forward with your life. So props to you, much respect. And reducing a felony to a misdemeanor is always a wonderful idea if you're able to do so. And the major benefit is once you have your felony reduced to a misdemeanor, then you are legally allowed to say that you've never been convicted of a felony. And that can be a huge game changer in terms of application for certain jobs, being able to acquire or maintain professional licenses, being eligible for housing. There's all kinds of different ways that this can be beneficial to you. If you have been convicted of a wobbler, which is an offense that can be charged as a felony or a misdemeanor, and you were granted probation. So if you were not granted probation, you can't unfortunately reduce your felony to a misdemeanor. Then you can file what's called a 17B motion and have that reduced to a misdemeanor. And as part of that motion, you're definitely going to want to put as much positive information as you can. So you want to hit them with a lot of letters of support, proof of employment, any educational certificates you've received, basically all the wonderful things that you can put to show that you're a changed man or changed woman and that you deserve the relief that you're asking for. But to address I Got the Juice's question specifically, he's wondering if he's still able to have that felony reduced to a misdemeanor even though it was a strike. And the answer to that question would be yes. Even though it is a strike, it still can be reduced to a misdemeanor provided it was a wobbler, which the 245 is a wobbler. And again, as long as you didn't get sentenced to prison, you will be able to do that. But bear in mind that it still carries with it the strike consequences. So if this was a first-time strike and you were to get a new offense, then they can still double you up on that sentence you're facing if you were to reoffend. But I got the juice. I have all the faith in the world that you are never going to find yourself in a criminal courtroom again, except for when you file that motion and it gets granted. So I wish you the best of luck with getting that motion granted, and cheers to the rest of your positive life. Thanks again for the question. If you got something out of this, please show me some love and hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on those notifications so you never miss a new video when it drops. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace.